Hello, gorgeous. Welcome to my channel. My name is Gigi, and today we are going to do a pink and black look that is specifically for Valentine's Day, for my Valentine's Day girlies out there. I am struggling with being capable of a voiceover today. So what I'm going to do is a no voiceover video today. If there are anything that needs to be explained, or if there is anything that needs to be explained, then I will put the instructions on the screen. But it's a very cut and dry, color blocked set with 3D elements and gems. So sit tight, grab your popcorn, something delicious to drink, and enjoy the next 10 minutes or so of nail art with Gigi. And we will see you back here at the end. Mwah. All right, guys, and that is our Valentine set for today. I hope that you like it just as much as I do. I think it came out so cute. I really love how those big gems really catch the light, and then all the littler gems surrounding the 3D hearts just make everything feel sweet and Valentine-y. Guys, thank you so much today for watching this video, for hanging till the end. And if you're still here, know that you are part of the top 20% of this channel, and you get all my love. We are going to see you in the next video. Mwah! Bye-bye.